Hold this right here. Hold this right here. Ooh, no, right here. All right, now go walk around. Go look in the mirror. Don't touch that, otherwise it'll stop doing it. Or taping. Right. It wasn't that bad. Are you just mad I took it away? Don't touch the mirror. How am I getting yelled at? Yeah, I'm sorry. Do you want the camera back? Are you mad that I took it away? You want the camera? Yeah. Okay, here you go. Here, let's put it back around your neck again. Come here. No, you don't want it? Are you mad that I'm taping you? Do you need a hug? No. Do you need to play with your dolly? No. Do you need a kiss? No. Do you need some water? Do you need some milk? No. Do you need a bump in the nose? No. Do you need to hop like a bunny? Oh. Yeah, you do? Oh no, she fell down. Oh, you mean a tiger? Oh. Scary tiger. A bear? Yeah? Pretty bear. No. What do you want me to do with it? Oh, you want me to put it on your back while you crawl? How about on your head? No? Are you sure? No. I'm not sure what you want. You want to go night-night? No. He's like saying no. No. Oh. You want the mouse off? Mouse. It's Jerry the mouse. I am your friend. Jerry? Oh, he hangs on your finger. A mouse. Hey, mouse. Uh-oh. He fell down. Can you say bye-bye to the camera?